have to subtract a positive integer, you have to move to the left on the number line. Each time you have subtract the negative integer, move to the right on the number line. You may have to subtract. Each time you have to subtract positive integer, you have to move to the left on the number line. And each time you subtract a negative integer, move right on the number line. Let's see. Do some problems on the number line. Exercise number 3. First one, represent the following subtractions on the number line. Let's see. Draw the number line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -1, -2, -3, -5, -6, -6. Then the number line is there. 7. So first one, 7 minus 2. This is the positive number. Positive number can move to the number line of the right side. Negative number can move to the left side of the number line. So start with 0 to 7, 0 to 7, and -2. -2 can be moved to the left side. Left side of the number line means 0, 2. 0, 2. Digit 5. So 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Coming to second one. 8 minus -7. 8 minus -7. How? 8, 9. We all know that. First we have to simplify this. 8 minus into minus, minus into minus, minus. So 8 minus 7 equal to plus into minus plus. Sorry, here minus into minus plus. So here also plus. 8 plus 7. So start with 8 and again you have to add the 7. See, by using these numbers, we have to find the representation the following on the number line. Let's see first one, 7 minus 2. We already know the positive number start with right side of the number line, negative number start with left side. So start with 0 to 7, 0 to 7 minus 2. Here moving to the left side of the number line, we will reach at 5. So answer is 5. Coming to second one, 8 into -1 minus 7. First we have to simplify the signs. Minus into minus plus. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 8 plus 7. So in this we have to start with 0 to first number 0 to 8. 0 to 8 and plus 7. You have to add plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach at 15. So answer is 15. Answer is 15. Coming to sixth one, -2 minus -1. How to simplify the signs? -2 minus into minus plus 1. So here these numbers we can represent as start with 0 to -1, 0 to -1, then plus 1, plus -2 plus 1, 0 to plus 1. Addition. So we will reach at sorry. So sorry guys. Start with 0 to -2. 0 to minus 2 and addition plus 2. How to add? We have to move the one position to the left side. So we will reach at minus 1. So answer is minus 1. We will reach at minus 1. So answer is minus 1. In this way we have to given the numbers, representation of the number, doing the subtraction using the numbers in the number line on number line. Compute the following. Here compute the following, we did not draw any number line. Just to simplify, just to do the subtraction on these numbers. First one, 17 minus 40. 17 minus 40. We already know the signs, minus into minus plus. So 17 plus 14. What is the answer? 7 plus 4, 11. 2, 31 is the answer. 31 is the answer. Coming to, maybe it is okay for you all of understand, I think. 25 minus 33. How to simplify? 33, 28. 13 minus 8. Answer 4. Here we are having the minus symbol on the greatest number. So minus 4 is the answer. Minus 4 is the answer. Coming to this. Express minus 6 as the sum of negative integers and whole numbers. Sum of negative integers and whole numbers. Express the 6 here. What we express? Minus 6 is there. Whole numbers we already know. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So, negative number plus whole number, we will express the minus 6. So negative number is minus 6 plus 0 equal to minus 6. Negative numbers minus 7 plus 1 minus 6. Minus 8 plus 2 equal to minus 6. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. In this way we have to express the given number, negative number and whole number using the, we'll get the negative number. So just go to the multiplication. We already completed the addition and subtraction of the numbers using number line. Now learn the multiplication. How to do the multiplication on the number line. Multiplication. Multiplication. Let's see first sum. Fill in the blanks. Exercise 4. First one, minus 100 into minus. We already know the addition and subtraction. How to do the addition and by using the signs. In this also same. You have to do the multiplication using sign. Here minus 100 into minus 6. Minus into minus plus. 100 into 6, 600. So answer is 600. Coming to next into 50 bit. 50 bit. 15 into minus 3. 5 3s are, 15 3s are 45. Minus 5. Minus 45. Why minus 3 is there? Minus into plus minus. Here now any sign is there, we will imagine plus. So plus into minus minus. So minus 45. Coming to second one, find each of the following products. Here also same, you have to do the multiplication. So 3 into minus 1. This number in front of the any sign is not there, you have to image like positive plus. So 3 into minus, plus into minus, minus 1 3s are 3. Answer is 3. This is the first bit. Let's check with fifth bit. Fifth bit, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. We all know that 0 into something, anything, 0. So first this not considered, not use, you have any use for that. So we have to consider this minus 15 into minus 18. Minus into minus plus 15 into 18, we will get the answer is 270. 270. In this way, and then next sum. Minus 2 into minus 12 into 11 into 10. 11 into 10. That means first we have to simplify these two. Why? Because it having science is there. First you have to simplify. This is easy to get the answer. Minus into minus plus 12 into 11. 12 into 2 is the 1, 2, 1. That means 232. Okay, 132 into 10. How much? 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 1. So 0, 2, 3, 1. Answer is 1320. In this way, how to simplify the given sums. First, for example, here giving some of the sign numbers is there, but in this time we don't have sign. So we have to simplify these sign numbers first, and then we will simplify another number. We will multiply. If you multiply these two numbers, you will get some number. In that sum number, the remaining digit will be divided. That number will get the answer. By using the multiplication, we have to do the sum problems. Coming to the third one, a certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees at the rate of 5 degrees every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process began? Here you should write the working. In this sum, you should write the working completely. We will get the full marks. Otherwise, we will not get any. Otherwise, we don't get full marks. Okay. We should write complete working. So a certain freezing process required that the room temperature is lowered. The room temperature is how much? 40 degrees at rate of 5 degrees. Rate of 40 degrees every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process? We find the after the 10 hours process. Here, so temperature below means 40 degrees with the rate of 40 degrees lower temperature at the rate of 5 hours, 5 degrees for every hour. So that means we will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process. We find the after process begins. So here 40 degrees minus 5 degrees into 10. So 40 degrees centigrade into 50 minus 50 degrees centigrade. So sorry, minus 5 into 10. Minus 5 into 10 degrees means minus 50 degrees centigrade. So answer is minus 10 degrees centigrade. Answer is minus 10. Coming to fourth one. In a class test containing 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 1 mark for every incorrect answer and 0 for the questions not attempted. So, The class test contains 10 questions. 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer, minus 1 mark for the every incorrect answer, and 0 for questions. 10 questions. 10 questions. 3 marks answered for the correct questions, minus 1 for the wrong answer. Wrong answer. We did not get any questions, so that is 0. So, first beat, coming to first beat, Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? Gopi get 5 correct answers. 5 into 3 equal to 15. Incorrect 5 into minus 1 equal to minus 5. Minus 5. 5 incorrect answer. 5 into minus 5 minus 5. So, what is his score? So, 15 minus 4. 15 minus 5 equal to 10. So, his score is 10. His score is, Gopi's score is Gopi's score is 10. 3 marks for the correct answer. Wrong answer for the minus. He did not write any answer, that gets 0. So, Gopi writes 5 correct answers, 5 wrong answers. So, how that is, what is the get? So, what is his score? So, we have to find the 5 into 3. 15, 5 into minus 1, minus 1 for the negative answers. So, minus 5. 15 minus 5, 10. So, answer he get the value is minus, sorry, you get the score is 10. Coming to second bit, Reshma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. What is the score? It also same. Reshma gets 7 correct answers. 7 into 3, 21. 3 incorrect answers. 7 into minus 1 equal to minus 7. Minus 3 incorrect answers, sorry. 7 not 1. 3 into minus 7, that means minus 3. Minus 3. What is the score? 21 plus 3, minus into minus plus. So, answer is 18. Answer is, what is score is 18. 21 plus 3, 18. Coming to third one, Reshmi gets the 3 correct and 4 incorrect. Or write the answers of out of 7 questions is attempts. What is the score? Coming to third one, 3. That means 3 into 3 equal to 9. 4 incorrect. 4 into minus 1 equal to minus 4. 9 minus 4 equal to, sorry, actually, sorry. Here 20. What is the Reshma gets? Reshma gets 18 minus 3 equal to, answer is 18. Here I am running addition, so this subtraction, sorry. 9 minus 4, answer is 5. 9 minus 4, with either 9, 5, answer is 5. So, the score, the 7 questions she attempts, what is Reshmi get the score is 5. So, this is the third answer, sorry, fourth sum answer. In this, I will simplify the just answers. We should write the content, you should write the working content completely. Okay, na? Okay? I will explain just roughly. You should write in words, you should write the completely work process, and then you will get the full marks for the question. Okay. Coming to fifth one, a merchant and selling rice earns a profit for 10 bag of basmati rice, sold and lost for 5 per bag non basmati rice. Actually, they're selling normal rice as 10 per kg, hence profit for 10 rupees per kg. The rice sold and loss of 5 rupees per bag. Non-basmati rice. First week, he sells 3,000 bags of basmati rice and 500 bags of non-basmati rice in a month. What is the profit or loss in a month? He sells 300 for the basmati rice and 500 for the non-basmati rice. He get per basmati rice how much? 10. So 300 into 10 equal to 30,000. 5,000 into 10 equal to 50,000. Then what is the profit on this? 5 into 5 is how much? Sorry, rice month అయితే profit అయితే ఇది దీనికైతే 25. Rice bag normally basmati will get the 10% profit, 5% loss. So 5,000 for the 5 into 5 25. Here we have to subtract the value, get the value is 5,000. You will get the per bag, you will get the loss per the month, you will get the profit is 5,000. Coming to second one, what is the number of basmati rice bags you must sell to have neither profit or loss if the number of bags of non-basmati rice sold is 6400. Here, the number of bags of non-basmati rice sold as here giving the already non-basmati rice bags 6400. 6400. So, what is the number of basmati rice bags you must sell to have neither profit or loss? So, here we multiply the 5. Why? Because get the per bag loss of the 5. So, we get the answer 32,003. into 5, how much? 0, 0. 37,000. So, here, how much bag is shifted? 6,400 into 5. How to multiply the value is 37,000. 30,000 we have to profit 10. So divided by 10. Answer is 3,700. Coming to sixth one. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. -3 equal to 27. Here -3 is there. In which number you have to multiply? We will get the 27. Here first you have to simplify the signs, and which number adding you have to get that means here -9 minus into minus plus 3 9 is 27. This is the answer. 5 into dash you will get the -35. Here also same. Which number you have to multiply? You will get the 35. 7 5 is 35. Okay. -35 in the given answer. So here we have to place the -7 in front of. Here we have to place the 7 with the minus. We get the answer is 35. -35. So in this we have to completed multiplication also. Coming to division. What is the division? Coming to division. Inverse operation of multiplication. Inverse of multiplication. If you multiply, we can, in front from the we divide a negative integer by a positive integer or a positive integer by a negative integer. We divided them as a whole number and then a negative sign for the quotient. Is the we get the negative integer of the quotient. We can say that when we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, we get a positive number as the quotient. Positive number as the quotient. If we divide something by 0, we will get the remainder quotient is 0. We will get the answer is, if you divide negative number by negative number, we will get the quotient is equal to, get the quotient value positive number. Minus into minus cancel, 8 ones are 8, so 1. This is the division process. Tomorrow we will continue the big properties of integers under addition. In this first one, we have the sum of properties there, closure property, associative property. Okay, closure property, associative property. Third one, closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity. Fifth one, additive inverse. These properties of integers and under addition. What is the closure property? What is closure property? In generally, for any two integers a and b, a plus b also an integer. So therefore here two integers is there. These are the integers a plus b. These two integers a plus b is also a doing the addition. Sorry, what is the closure property? Here I am taking the two integers, a plus b is the integers. These two integers doing addition, subtraction, multiplication. We are using addition, multiplication, subtraction. So for example, in this under addition a plus b, here a is the integer, b is the integer. A plus b is also a integer. This is the closure property. Second one, commutative property. What is commutative property? Here also same. You have to take two integers a and b. Here you can write a plus b equal to b plus a. That means with the sum of the different, the sum is the pair of the integers for which the sum of the different, which the order is changed. You would move have not. Therefore, the addition is commutative of integers. Here, I will explain clearly if you have what is commutative property. Here, we can do the addition. A plus b equal to b plus a. Here, two a and b is the integers. B and a is also integers. Here, the two integers doing addition. He also doing addition. The order of the changing, order of the pair is changed, but the sum of the value is same. This is the commutative property. Coming to third one, associative. Associative property. What is the associative property? Here we are using three integers. That means adding two integers. We are using three integers. That means a, b, c. These three integers we can write a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c equal to b plus c plus a. Here also same. The integers order of changing is changing is same. The order of changing is the sum of order is changed, but value the sum is the same. For example, here take 8 plus 7. Answer is 15. Oh, but changing this place 7 plus 8, 15. Both the sum is value is same. So order of the change is paid. The value of the sum is same. This is the associative property. Into fourth one, additive identity. What is additive identity? On adding zeros to integers, do you get the same integers? Yes. Here, for example, I am taking integer a, I am adding 0. You will get the value same. Yes, a. For example, minus 2 is 0. If you add 0, you will get the value 2. This is the additive identity. If you add any integer to the 0, we will get the same value. So this is the additive identity. Coming to next one, additive inverse. What is additive inverse? We should one integer is called additive of the other integers. Generally, if the integer a, there exists an integer minus a, such that for generally a is an integer, the integer exists a and the number and the integer minus a. That means a plus minus a equal to 0. This is the both integers are called additive inverse of each other. Additive inverse of each other. Say a is the integer, there exists a minus a such that a plus minus a. So we will get the a minus a equal to 0. Plus a minus a cancel equal to 0. So this is the inverse of additive inverse. In this we are properties of integers under multiplication. In this you have to see in the same properties under multiplication. What is the first property? Closure property. We already know the closure property. How can you write that? Here I am taking the two integers a and b. You can write multiplication means a and b. This is the closure property. Second one, associative. That means a into b equal to, you are using b into a. Two integers are equal. If you multiplication both numbers, but the sum is same. So associative property. So this is the commutative property. By the order of the changing pair is order of the integers pair is changed, but we get the sum is same. So this is the commutative property. Coming to associative. What is the associative? We are using three integers. That means a cross b plus c. Sorry, a cross b cross c equal to a cross b cross c. This is the associative property. Distributive property. What is the distributive property? Multiplication distributor over the addition is true for whole numbers. In general, for any integers a, b, c. That means here this is the distributive property. A cross b plus c equal to a cross b plus a cross c. This is the distributive rule. A is multiplication of multiple the b plus c. A into b plus a into c. This is the distributive property. Multiplicative identity. That means, what is the multiplicative identity? Fourth one. One is multiplicative. If you multiply if you multiply, generally, if you find multiplying an integer by 1 does not change the integer. This one is called the multiplicative identity. So here I am taking 1, 8 into 1, 1 into 8. This is the multiplicative. This is the multiplicative identity. The order of the chain, if you multiplying an integer into 1, the value is the value not changing. The value of the integer not changing. Thus the 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative of 0. What is the multiplicative of 0? The product of the integer is 0. So if for example we are taking 5 into 0, 5 zeros 0, we get the 0. This is the multiplicative by 0. So these are the properties of integers, properties of used under multiplication. Previously you can see the under addition. So by using these two,